Hello everyone. Today we have gathered to talk about SVGU, Sardar Vallabhbhai Global University. It is established under the Gujarat Government Private University Act amended in 2023. It operates at a CPI campus. Talking about CPIMR, that is Chimanbhai Patel Institute of Management and Research, has been operationalized since 1998. We aim to provide education and research to future leaders to endure a sustainable societal growth. To achieve so, we have a conducive approach wherein we have signed MOUs with government, corporate, social enterprises, NGO, and other entities. We provide a student a chance and ability to interact with them to become a sustainable future leader. Now I have a question. Swati madam, how do I get admission in CPIMR?
Hello everyone. Chimanbhai Patel Institute. The admission is governed by ACPC, which is Admission Committee for Professional Courses. And we follow the process of ACPC, which is a merit-based admission system. We have 180 students intake per batch. Our fees is around 2 lakh rupees for 2 years of MBA, which makes this pretty economical for the market. And our infrastructure, our education is class apart. When the student enters the college after that, I would like Nazneen ma'am to take forward the student journey right after the admission process is.
Hello everyone. Now I'll be taking you through the journey of MBA 2 years, which you'll be getting the admission here, and the first and foremost thing you'll be doing here is Anusthapan, the formal orientation program, a unique initiative taken by CPIMR. In there, we have a series of management lectures. Industry people will be coming on the campus to give you sessions on various topics, what you'll be doing in next 2 years from there. There are some ice-breaking activities going on in that sessions. There is a unique tradition of welcoming of students to just formally getting to know the institute better and what will be there in academics all over 2 years for them. Other than that, we have one more program offered to students, that is Prarambh. Prarambh is formal foundation courses. In that foundation course, we have number of series of lecture series on basic statistics, basic accountancy, basic presentation skills, communication skills, and lot more. After finishing Prarambh, we have introduced the students to a curriculum. In the very first semester, I would like to talk about ASAP, that is Advanced Skill Acquisition Program. In Advanced Skill Acquisition Program, students will go into the industry for short-term training purpose from semester 1 itself. That is a very good initiative for developing their skills. Other than that, I would also like to talk about TEAM, that is Towards Excellence in Management. Now, this team activities, we have number of symposiums, seminars, workshops, which has been arranged by us to call the industry people to just make familiar to our students to the industry. Now, moving forward to the CPIMR Case Center, we also have a wholesome CPIMR Case Center whereby students are equipped with learning cases and writing cases. And that is where they can interact with the industry people, they can have some of the projects, and they can write cases. Teaching methodology is according to case studies. Now, I would go forward towards, we are actually organizing an annual international conference, which is CPIM, Changing Paradigms in Management, which just put together all the researchers, students, so that they can contribute towards the society of research.
So besides academia, what about cultural activities, and can you give some insight about placement as well?
Yeah. Looking forward to the questions, answering the questions as Dr. Richa has said. We are proud in saying that from the last consecutive 3 years, we have a track record of 100% placement. Student जब यहाँ पे आता है, we mentor them, we hold their hand, make them industry readiness. But there is a series which we name it as PRO, that is Placement Readiness Orientation. and campus to corporate series, वहाँ पे through various activities like group discussion, interviews, making the student build the confidence which is required by the industry. So n number of series and n number of activities are undertaken जहाँ पे industry और academician दोनों का collaboration होता है और student को placement ready बनाया जाता है since last 3 years, and we are very sure we will carry that legacy ahead in the future also, जहाँ पे 100% placement record है. Right from the internship, जब बच्चा जाता है second semester के बाद में, वहाँ पे various companies आती हैं, so placement starts from there only. Students who have outperformed in the internship, उनका pre-placement offer हो जाता है, and many of the companies which have tested their student, they are invited to the company for the placement. Now, regarding the life at CPMR, I think it's a very wise saying कि all work and no play makes Jack a dumb boy. We are having students have promised a very happening life at CPMR. जब स्टूडेंट यहाँ पे एंटर होता है, the seniors welcome the new batch by organizing a freshers. Freshers में there are ice breaking activities, games. We have Mr. Fresher selection, Miss Fresher selection. Seniors also organize the DJ, welcome them, make them conducive to the environment of the CPMR. After freshers, we have various days celebrations like executive days, management day, traditional day. Then they also represent one of the culture of the India. Why? Because we believe in university and diversity. After day celebrations, we try to inculcate the feeling of entrepreneurship in the student. Why? Because if I talk about Gujarat, entrepreneurship is a budding name, it's a synonym. So in that case, the feeling of entrepreneurship is inculcated by organizing a flea market. Flea market में student come out with their own business plan. They are the one responsible for the profit loss of their store, and in the end, the best one who has scored the maximum profit is awarded. Besides that, we have sports day because mental and physical wellness, for the mental and physical wellness of the student. We have yoga day celebration. We also have the legacy of Crest, which is a unique management event जहाँ पे student corporate से funds accumulate करता है, उस fund के basis पे पूरा का पूरा event management करता है. So I can say Crest is something which is undertaken, sponsored, managed and for the student. So we have participants of somewhere around more than 1,000 students which come all across India and also from all across Gujarat. So it's a gamut of various management and formal and informal events. Evening of the Crest is a cultural diva जहाँ पे students अपना dance, I should say the fashion show, then singing, they showcase their talent, and the entire event which has been a huge success for this CPMR, the entire thing, the credit of it is shared by the student. After the Crest, we have sports day. And then in the end we have farewell party जहाँ पे juniors अपने seniors को acknowledge करते हैं, उनके effort को, they had handhold themselves and they had mentored them, so they bade goodbye to them. So the entire 2 years journey, in every semester we have some or other cultural activities at CPMR. So I think the life at CPMR is full of learning as well as a fun-based learning. So please ma'am.
Adding on to this, I would also like to emphasize on we have a summer internship program for which we are actually arranging the internship drive for them. So they'll be placed from here into an internship, and some of the companies are there who are giving pre-placement offers to them. Once they are in the internship, they'll be learning the industrial things, what is happening in the industry, and then they'll be having a pre-placement offer. So that is a unique practice which is going on.
So I think to summarize, we can say that if I talk about the life at CPMR, it is not only education, it is also the corporate readiness, it is also fun-based, a fun-filled, and so many skills which we give to the student, which not only make them placeable but also make them ready for the life. So welcoming you all for a 2 years fun-based learning at CPMR, and requesting you to be a part of this symbiotic learning. Thank you.